In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly start your journey on Udemy by navigating through Google. To kick things off, you want to begin by launching your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. You can do this quite simply by typing Google into your address bar or selecting it from your favorites if you already have it bookmarked. Once you're on Google's homepage, you'll see that familiar search box in the center of the page. This is where you'll type in Udemy and press enter. As straightforward as it sounds, this is your first step into the world of online learning, right from the comfort of your home. Typing Udemy will bring up a host of search results, among which is the official Udemy site. Now you want to scan through the search results to find the one that reads Udemy official site, Udemy online courses. Clicking on this link will redirect you to Udemy's homepage, where a myriad of courses and learning opportunities await you. It's a virtual treasure trove for anyone eager to learn something new, be it for professional development or personal interest. As you find yourself on Udemy's landing page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll notice the Sign Up button. Give that a click. This is the doorway leading to a world of courses in tech, business, arts, and more. Next, you'll encounter a form asking for a few basic details. Here, it's crucial to enter your full name and email address. It's a straightforward process, but I do recommend being precise with your details to ensure seamless communication and access to course materials. After filling in your information, hit the Continue button. This will further secure your entry into Udemy's vast library of online courses. Alternatively, if you prefer a more streamlined sign-up process, Udemy offers the option of logging in via your Google account. This involves linking your Google credentials with your new Udemy account, ideal if you're already logged into your Google account and want to bypass the manual entry of your details. That wraps up our simple guide today on accessing Udemy through Google. Following these steps will set a solid foundation for your learning journey with Udemy, a platform that's not only convenient, but also rich in content and resources. Remember, learning can open doors to new opportunities, and today, you've taken a significant step towards that. Enjoy exploring and expanding your skills on Udemy.